In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create backlogs in a Jira Scrum Board. Whether you're a project manager or just someone getting your feet wet in agile methodologies, managing your backlog efficiently is essential for keeping your project on track. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be comfortably navigating the process. To get started, navigate to your Jira Scrum project. This is your working hub where all the project management magic happens. Once you're there, look at the View tabs and click on Backlogs. This will take you to the Backlog view, which is essentially the staging area for all of your upcoming work items. It's here that you'll have a comprehensive overview of everything you need to prioritize and what tasks are queued up next for your team. You'll see a Create button prominently displayed at the top. Go ahead and click on that to begin adding a new work item. This step is crucial as it marks the beginning of converting your project's goals into actionable tasks. Once you've clicked on Create, you'll be prompted to input details for the work item. Begin by selecting the type of work. Is it a bug fix, a new feature, or perhaps maintenance work? Select the category that best fits the nature of the task at hand. Next, you'll want to set the status of the work item. Is this a new task just getting started, or something in progress? Setting the correct status helps in tracking the progress and ensures the team knows which phase the item is currently in. It's also time to add a summary, a concise title that gives anyone looking a quick understanding of what the work item is about. Remember, the more descriptive and clear your summary, the easier it is for your team to gauge the task at a glance. After setting the work type and status, fill in any other details necessary for the backlog. This could include person assignments, estimated time, priority levels, or linked issues. All these fields contribute to laying a solid groundwork for the task's completion and help in facilitating effective communication among team members. Once you've thoroughly filled in all the necessary details, click the Create button again. With that, your new work item has been added to the backlog. It's a satisfying step, as now it's part of the broader project timeline and can be prioritized among other items. To keep the project moving along, you might want to start a sprint with your newly created backlog items. Look for the sprint section within the backlog view and simply drag your work items into this section when you're ready to move forward. Once your items are in place, hit Start Sprint. This action effectively translates your planning to execution, allowing the team to concentrate on the tasks at hand. And that's it. You've successfully created a backlog in a Jira Scrum Board and have taken a vital step toward robust project management.